What's up? What's up, guys? Audi E6 2011 model, no timing belt, water pump. Gonna start the engine. The engine should good timing. The engine should start one click revolution. No? So we're gonna start. One click. Click again, stop, start again, one click. And then one thing here, you need this car need service, full service. It has service due appearing on the dashboard. And then yeah, so again, when you are fixing cars, make sure you have to put down the driver side or passenger side window, because some of the unit automatically maglalak, no? They will automatically lock once the door is locked, and then you cannot get access, no, going inside. So to have just in case to get access into it, put down the passenger side or driver side window, just in case the car automatically lock. So this is it. Marami pang gagawin nito, like we have to come back here to install this stereo system. It has no socket, connector socket, and look up here, the wiring cut off is up. Whatever terrible thing happened here, so we're gonna have to advise the owner to buy the socket, and then we're gonna message her on the Facebook or the WhatsApp. So yung timing belt, water pump, engine sound good. We're gonna look up the coolant here. Normally coolant is like 5 liters, 6 liters capacity. We're gonna massage here just to get rid of the bubbles, whatever. Yeah. Massage. Okay. That's it. It is ready to go. Ito yung sasakyan na pinalitan natin ng ano sana, kaso mali yung pagbili ng timing belt kit, mali, so binalik. So papakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung kanyang water pump is really bad looking. As you can see, mayroon po siyang tagas, no, here may leaking na po siya, so it's time talaga na palitan. Inabiso ko na ito dati. So water pump's leaking, obviously very bad, and that is done. New timing belt on it, and we have this one here, our new collection of timing belt, Audi E6 2011 model. So we have a lot of timing belts here, collection, like a souvenir, and every timing belt here has corresponding videos on our channel, PepitoMotorWorks. Every belt here, timing belt, has a video. Okay, and then yeah, so we're good, we're ready to go. Thank you very much. So i-check natin kung maglalak ba itong bonnet niya. As you can see, yung bonnet niya is nakaputi, no? Meaning hindi siya nalock. So tingnan natin dito. Ito yung kanyang sensor ng bonnet. Pag na-tap ito, push in, then that will alert the the dashboard that the bonnet is closed. So this one put up natin para mag ano siya agad, meron siyang distansya pag-release. So ganyan siya dito, medyo ano mataas dito, ano natin. So ano pa rin yung bonnet nyo, meaning nasubrahan natin sa adjustment. I-adjust natin yung ano kanyang tawag nito, yung kanyang ito, adjust natin ito. Yan, ano dito mga 2-3 turns. Yan, yan, nawala na siya, and then nawala na yung bonnet, close na yung bonnet. So yung adjustment lang pagka may scenario kayo na ganoon guys, na bonnet won't be locked, so i-adjust lang nyo yun. I-open natin ulit. Okay, so ito lang i-adjust nyo guys pagka may message sa dashboard ninyo na ang bonnet is naka-open. Kasi pag sobrang haba nito, hindi niya maipupos itong sensor at saka ito, either both sides i-adjust, like hipitan nyo clockwise mga 2 to 3 turns, same also the other side para mai-push niya to both sides. Ito kasi yung indicator sa bonnet, pagka hindi na push ito masyado, ibig sabihin nakabukas yung ano bonnet. Okay, na-push na siya. Tingnan natin kung meron pa bang, wala na. So again, buksan natin. So nakabukas yung driver side, kaya siya may sign na driver side. Bubuksan natin yung bonnet. See, bonnet is open. Okay, and then we're gonna close it. We're gonna close that one. So titingnan natin kung ano pa ba, indicate pa ba na naka-open yung bonnet. Wala na, ayos na. So yun lang guys ang gagawin nyo pagka ang indicator ng bonnet ninyo is mag-appear dito sa dashboard. Yun lang ang gagawin ninyo, just adjust. Like I show you, just like adjust this part here, and then once you adjusted this part here, this is like a padding, rubber padding on the bonnet. And when you adjust this one and the bonnet still the dashboard still not locked as indicated on the dashboard, then something wrong with the sensor. Just check the connector on the sensor, both sides, and then you're good to go. Okay, so again, bonnet is open, and then we're gonna release or close the bonnet. Close. Bonnet is closed. So that's it. Gonna go now. Thank you very much. by. If you have cars, problem with cars, or service due, just message me on Facebook or email or whatever, text or call maybe, or comment down below on our YouTube channel, and then I will get you soon as I can. So thank you very much. Full brush itong ano. Tingnan natin yung heating system niya. Ay, gumagana yung front. Na using ating radio working. Okay, so nag-message yung may-ari natin dati na bakit hindi gumagana yung radio, kasi you need to push the radio to get the sound like that. So hindi kanya inano kasi, and then pushing it. Pictures ng Audi. Okay guys, thank you.